Another update on the 2008 Ford Expedition. It's my Jeep update on the Expedition. And the reason I'm making an update, I made a mistake. I checked everything except one item. This will not open from the inside. The inside door handle will not open the door. We'll see you in the next clip. I'm gonna go ahead and get this door panel off. Everybody's seen this before. The panel's only got a few screws that hold it in place. It's getting where it's really easy to get on and off. I need a couple more tools. I'll be right back. I'm looking for my 9/32 is the correct socket size for these bolts. Also, you can use a 7mm, I believe. If I would have paid more attention to what I was doing yesterday and re-inspected my work, I may have avoided this. And I believe I know what it is, and it should be something simple. There's a plastic piece on the cable that has to be snapped into place to hold that cable so it doesn't move. If not, it will not operate the latch. Okay, I gotta go get a pry tool now. Couldn't get it with the plastic pry tool, so I used a screwdriver. And it popped it right loose. I may not have to take the panel completely off. I can see the part already that I'm after. That part is definitely not in position. And so that's what I'll be working on, trying to figure out how to get it done. I'm going to look at the old regulator and see if it might help me out a little bit. I believe I know how it goes now. I'm going to work on it, see if I can get it in place. I'm gonna go get my wife Nancy to help me line this up and get this panel back on. Nancy is more intelligent and has a sharper eye than I do. She's gonna work on getting the lock button in place and lined up. Okay. Sweetheart, looking good, looking good. We are getting everything lined up to pop this panel back into place. I think the bottom's already in place and locked. We're gonna shut the door and try opening the door from the inside, see if it works. And there it is. It's working again. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I don't know if I'd been able to do that without your help. Okay, guys, Nancy had to come out here and straighten me out, and we got it. Without her help, I'm not sure. Thank you, sweetheart. I love you. Okay, now I'm going to get the panel, all the bolts or screws back in, get it tightened up. Anytime I can't find a tool or need something, I got bad vision in my left eye, I get Nancy to come out and she can find it right away.
We've already seen this before. You know, I'm gonna put the 2 screws in the bottom. Got 2 screws here. I got a Phillips screw here. These are actually like bolt screws or whatever you want to call it. This is a Phillips screw. And then I got one that goes in here. So I'm not gonna worry about taking video of that. I got it squared away. Huh. Okay, I don't know if, yeah, the power's got to be on, but the main thing, let's see if it'll open from the inside now. I can find the door handle. Oh, way up here. Okay, see? Oh, that probably didn't prove anything. Okay, boom. Okay, door handle, inside door handle works now because I didn't have the cable, the clip that holds the cable in place. Without that, if that's not correctly inserted, the cable, the whole cable moves when you pull the door handle and it will not move the latch. Simple. So if you do this, make sure that should be about one of the last things. Make sure you get it done. Cost me a little more work. Now, a couple other items I had problems with. That screw there, I had trouble getting it lined up and getting it back in. And these 2 here, I couldn't get them to line back up. I don't want to tear stuff up. The panel's on real good. All the other, everything seems to be real tight. So I'm not going to mess with it. I ain't going to try to tear something up trying to fix it. So there you go, guys. I'm finished. Front right passenger window regulator is completed. I hope. We'll see.